Hello, welcome to my video. This is Nelson, and in this video I'm going to discuss about basic RFID system. So I have already provided with me two components, hardware components for our basic RFID system. So this card is actually our RFID tag, or simply our card, or we also call it as our transponder. And this board, this small board, is actually our RFID reader, or technically this is the transceiver. So how does the RFID system work? So this card, inside this card is an electronic microchip and an antenna. And this one, if you can see it from there, let me take a look closer at this. This side is actually a coil. It's actually inside the board. This is actually the antenna, and this line are actually capacitors and some resistors here, and this black color is actually a chip. That's it, the control unit, and we have holes here. This is where we connect our power supply and our data. For example, if you want to connect this reader to a computer. So how does the card is being read by the reader? So this card, basically this has no power or battery. So for this card to be able to transmit data to this reader, this card has to be powered up. But how come this card be powered up? So this is the secret. If I hover this card over the reader, this card actually transmit electromagnetic frequency, and if this card detects that frequency, electromagnetic frequency, it actually creates an induced voltage inside this card, or specifically in the chip, and that chip uses the power to transmit message to this card. And this reader, as the name implies, it reads the message from this card, and then whatever it reads, it transmits the data to the computer. For example, if you use this computer for monitoring more than two RFID cards, so this card, you can actually connect this to a database, and everything it reads is being stored in the database. So that's how our RFID system works. A recap: an RFID system is composed of a reader and a tag. If I hover this tag, a message is transmitted, and if this card is connected to a database, the message is stored in that database. So that's it for today. Thank you. See you next time.